Hi, friends. I wanted to look into language arts really quickly, and I was noticing, some of these things, a lot of these assignments are little quizzes you could see there. This icon means we actually have to upload something. And I got to this assignment, and it was a little bit confusing for me. So I wanted to share and support how to complete this assignment for you all. So it says literal and non literal shoots for the stars. But I'm a bit confused as to what I'm actually supposed to do. So this is the assignment. I'm going to go back to the previous activity, which is the lesson 1.4. I know on the very last page of these lessons, it tells me what my assignment is. It says complete and submit your informative writing final copy and illustration that you worked on in the lesson. The writing prompt for this assignment is written below as a reminder. So this is something that we were working on. It's not just the worksheet of the literal or non-literal language, but it's actually a writing assignment. The prompt says, what does it mean to be a team player? Remember, you always have to toggle on those things. And this gives me the rubric. So I click on this and it opens up the rubric. What did I learn? I learned how to write an introduction, one body paragraph, and a conclusion. I learned how to support my topic with facts. I learned how to use literal and non-literal language in writing. So this is where I'm going to show what I learned, and it's worth 20 points. I included a hook and controlling idea in my introduction. So I'm going to have to write, and I'm thinking I'm probably going to have to write 3 paragraphs because it says an introduction, one body paragraph, and a conclusion. I'm thinking it's 3 paragraphs. So I have to have a hook and a controlling idea in my introduction. And we remember that the hook grabs the reader's attention. And the controlling idea is that what's really answering that question. And the question we're asking is, what does it mean to be a team player? So this is where you're going to share. What does it mean? What is my theme? What does a team player really mean? Your body paragraph has a topic sentence followed by 3 facts that support my topic. Yep, we usually include 3 facts when we're supporting any idea. So we have one paragraph that's a hook and shares our controlling idea. The second paragraph has a topic sentence and 3 facts that support that topic. And then, in our final one, in our conclusion, we're going to tie up loose ends and we're going to restate that controlling idea. Remember, writing, it's kind of like a sandwich. You have a piece of bread, which introduces your idea. You have all the meaty and juicy bits in the middle that have all the flavor. And then you have that piece of bread at the bottom. And the pieces of bread echo the same idea. They introduce what does it mean to be a team player. And then they conclude, that's what it means to be a team player, right? We include an example of literal and non-literal language. Something we could think about literal would mean it's raining heavily, or an example of non-literal language would be it's raining cats and dogs. We don't mean that it's literally cats and dogs are falling out of the sky. Uh, it would be translated into heavy raining. So we have to have an example of this non-literal language and an example of literal language. You also have to do these things. You have the 3 paragraphs. That's part of what your grade is. And you also get graded on that you're using correct spelling, complete sentences, correct capitalization and punctuation in your story. Also, you have to give your essay a title. So when I come back to this, I realize that this is actually a 3-paragraph assignment with a picture. And so we have to really be careful to read the rubrics, go through all the portions of the lesson, and understand what's being submitted. So in the next activity, this is where I would upload that writing assignment. Alrighty, friends, I'm going to start writing workshops on one of our small groups so that we could come in and get extra support for these assignments. So if you didn't do it right now, that's okay. We can always resubmit. We can always improve. We can always get better. So don't worry about it if you didn't do it right the first time. School is for learning. If we were perfect, we wouldn't have to have school. So you are all doing amazing. Great job. And I'm so proud of you. Thank you, friends, for learning with us. I'll see you next time.